Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Out on a Friday night ride with the boys. Tom on the Grom, Teo also on the Grom. You guys might remember Teo from one of my other videos where I rode his Honda CBR. He's also got a little Grom now as well. Everyone seems to be getting Groms, and I don't have one yet, so maybe, I don't know, maybe I should get one. I don't know, leave a comment down below, see if I should, let me know if I should get a Grom or not, because so many people seem to be getting them right now. The old guy's not Oh my god. Back to it. That was a fat skid.
Yeah, baby.
That was, that was so long. Alright, so we're heading to a car meet. Oh, I just noticed my helmet isn't done. Oops.
Did that early.
Wait,
that one.
I'll do it now.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Take a whiff of that. Yeah. Up we're going.
Ah.
Oh, I think I'm in second.
I'm gonna pull over real quick just to do it.
Yeah, it took me so long to get to the limiter. I was like, man.
I'll catch up in a sec.
Yeah.
We gotta catch up to the two little Groms. Oh, there's a red light here? No way. Is it even gonna sense it? Ah! Get my visor up. Just gonna breathe. Ah. Okay, surely, yes. Alright, let's find out what this car meet looks like. We went to one the other week and it was completely shut down by authorities. So this one started like half an hour ago, so we'll see if it's still going. I gotta catch up to these damn Groms. Oh. Oh my god, where are they all going? Oh, I just realized these Groms definitely did not go on the highway like I did. Nearly here. Whoa, wrong way. Damn, it's lit up. It is lit up, man. God damn, there's hella people here. What's up, bro?
Hey, boss.
Good, bro. How you going?
Chilling, man. Nothing much. It's pretty chill at the moment, but yeah.
Yeah. Where should I park up?
Anyway, I'm just saving these spots.
Alright, bro.
Yeah. Anyone else? Any other bikes? Or
There's like two other small bikes.
Oh, yeah. Tom and that?
Yeah.
I'll see you around.
Alright, bro. What's up, bro?
How you going?
Yo. I'm at the meet, bro. Yeah, bro, I beat you here. Alright, y'all, we're back. I got off the bike now, and some of the other boys showed up on their Groms. So I'm just gonna walk around and get my bike. I'll show you guys the cars as well. Because I don't even know what that dude is doing. Yeah, I'll just show you guys the cars, and then I was gonna get my bike and go park my bike next to their bikes because they parked over there somewhere. Wow. I don't know if there's a few Mitsubishis over there, Golfs, nothing crazy. It's an 86 pulling in. Got the Hondas, these look pretty clean. What is that Mustang doing, bro? Toyota Supra Mach 3. It's got the fan running. Wow, this is a dinged up Mach 3. Still cool though. Sorry, bro. What the? What the heck? Damn, we got the J-Wagon over here. Sheesh. I have never seen anything like that. What is this G-Wagon knockoff thing? Bro, check out that f***ing trolley. Didn't know you would chill like that, bro. Sylvia's, those are some nice. Yeah, it's only like 8:30. People seem to be leaving already. Like, it was busy here before. There was a few R34s, but I wasn't recording or anything. Another Sylvia, that's nice. That's a clean build. People looking at me like I'm weird with the helmet on. It's not a crazy meet. I think that's an R32 leaving. There was a nice E30 over there in the back, but I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys. Another 34. This is where I parked. There were some bikes over here before, but they ended up leaving. Nice. Alright, I gotta move my bike now back over with the other boys. Unfortunately, we've only got one other Grom with us because Tom had to leave. He's got a party on, so we'll see him another night. Oh, yo! See you, bro. Everyone's dipping. Alright, I'm just going to move my bike around the back. It's getting noisy in here. And there's an R1M parked over here too. Oh my goodness. Is it really a car meet if you don't see a Supra Mark 4? Sheesh. It's getting pretty spicy now. That's nice. Oh, bro. That's deadly. That thing's deadly, bro. I want an R1M so badly, or even just an R1, that'd be sick. Peace out to the J-Wagon. What the heck? That thing's so tiny, that's sick. Jeez. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.